How to stabilize video in Video Editor. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can stabilize video in Video Editor. So to stabilize video in Video Editor, you have to follow this step. So first of all, you have to download your latest version of your Video Editor on your device. After that, here you have to open up your Video Editor on your mobile device. Once you have opened up your Video Editor, you have to go for your plus icon which is on the bottom and go for the new project option here. So here you have to go for the new project option and you have to add off a video here. So here you have to add a video from your device. Once you have added a video, go for the next option here and also you can turn off your sound here. So to stabilize video in your Video Editor app, first of all you have to play this video and you have to split off this video where you want to cut it. Go for that. So on the bottom there is a scissor icon, that is a split option there also. So with the help of that you can easily cut out the video. So beside the scissor icon or split, you can see the trash bin or delete option. You have to go for the delete option here. So if you face the stabilized video in your Video Editor app, you have to select that video and go for the speed option which is beside the volume. Go for a speed option and here you can speed low, speed up, and you can manage your speed in this video. So here you can see that and go for the right click option here. So with the help of this process you can easily stabilize video in your Video Editor app. So that's it for today. So there is no any option to stabilize video in Video Editor app. With the help of slow motion maker, you can easily stabilize video in your Video Editor app. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.